was a girl called Conchita. She was a hot bonita. All the boys wanted to meet her, and that is how the story goes. She would never ever say no, hell no. She told the boys, let's go, go to a place that only she knows, and that is how the story goes. Oh no, 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 Conchita, why are you running for your life? You could stop it, would not kill you, but you're running to survive. Oh yeah.